can't get enough of beef balls? Keep watching then. In the previous video, I showed you how to make the beef balls. This time, we're going to make rice noodle soup with the beef balls. Let's do it! First, you need 0.5 kg of beef balls, 1 kg of pork bones and chicken bones, 450 g of dry noodle, 10 g of rock sugar, 1 onion, 1 carrot, green onions, corianders, salt, MSG, and fish sauce. First, soak the noodle in warm water for about 30 minutes. Then, cook the bones in boiling water for about 5 minutes to clean them. That's right, all of them, throw them in. Then, you take them out, drain, and rinse with cold water. That's how we do it. Then in a pot with 4 liters of boiling water, add the bones. Then add the carrot. Then the onion, rock sugar, and 2 tablespoons of salt. Now, very important, you need to lower the heat to medium and simmer for about 2 hours. Put the soaked noodles into a pot of boiling water. Cook for 2 minutes. After 2 hours of cooking the bones, add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, a little bit of MSG, seasoning to taste. Then add onion roots. Now prepare to serve the most delicious dish with beef balls you ever eat in your life. Now here's the result. Ta-da! Looks so yummy. Bon appétit!